how to create poll on Viber. Firstly, as you want to take over that selection, you need simply to open up a group chat selection or simply a chat selection with an individual, which will take you to the main point. For example, in this case, it is on that side selection. And now if you want to create a poll, you need to tap on the three dots on the last session right down. And as you get right there, you're going to be available to choose up between all these selections. And as you can see right now, you don't have any side selection, which is for a pool. And this is why you need to make sure that you have got and open up a chat group selection, which is right here. And then go again on the three dots on the last selection, and now as you can see, you're gonna be available to go and create a poll by typing on the second selection. Go for create a poll, take an option and all that stuff. Yeah, you can add another option, and also you can take the question right here. And as you get done, simply go create, and as you can see right now, we have done it.